to distribute the further prizes. We are going to felicitate an alumni from Sri Marwadi Rajasthan Vidyalaya, Master Tejas Mane. Without his technological help, reset would have not been possible. I also request Mane ma'am to come with the Tejas. The second student we are going to felicitate is Master Vaibhav Pallod for his technological help for Sanstha, especially Rajasthan Vidyalaya. I request his parents to come up on the stage. Please give a big round of applause. Please be seated. Thank you
Today,
all the dignitaries.
Symposium program has arranged three competitive activities. First one, teaching learning models, that was TLM. Next was poster presentation, and third one was language games activities. All teachers participated in these competitions. Mr. Prashant Mandnikar sir had examined the TLM competition. Mr. M.H. Khandagle sir had examined the poster presentation competition, and Mr. Nitin Doke sir had examined the language games activities. I convey my thanks to all the judges. It gives me immense pleasure to announce the first position holders chosen by today's judges. First of all, in teaching learning models competition, there were 15 participants who were guided by Srimati Sangeeta Kasar Madam. Now, I request our chief guest, Mr. Mahesh G. Dudhankar sir, to hand over the prizes and certificates to the winners. We all are the winners. There is no discrimination like first, second, and third. We are going to declare three prizes. And the first prize is Mrs. Anju Sot Madam from Sri Godavari Devi Lahoti Kanya Pathshala. I request ma'am to come on the stage. Again, the first prize goes to Mrs. Matpati Mahadevi Madam from Sri Godavari Devi Lahoti Kanya Pathshala. Again, the first prize holder is Mrs. Kavle Sridevi Madam from Sri Kesharbai Bhargav Primary School. All these three prizes are on first position.
Now next poster presentation. There were 12 participants who were guided by Mrs. Kavita Dande ma'am. Our posters were based on digital literacy. In this competition also, first three prizes are there. The first prize goes to Mr. Vivek Rawale sir from Shri Marwadi Rajasthan Vidyalaya. Again, the first prize goes to Mr. Dhanraj Kore sir from Shri Marwadi Rajasthan Vidyalaya. Please clap, give a big round of applause for each participant, each prize winner. Again, first prize holder is Mr. Santosh Sherikar sir from Shri Marwadi Rajasthan Vidyalaya. Now the next was language games competition. There were also 12 participants who were guided by Mrs. Deepti Kagne ma'am. And that first prize goes to Kalpana Bhattar madam from Kesharbai Bhargav School. त्याच्यानंतर Again, first prize goes to Archana Kulkarni madam from Shri Puramal Lahoti Pathshala. Again, first prize to Sarita More madam from Kesharbai Bhargav School. आता कोणाला Because of the great efforts of the reset team, every participant teacher has also got the certificate of participation. So I am requesting the school representative to come on the stage. Firstly, I request to Srimati Shah madam from Shri Marwadi Rajasthan Vidyalaya to come on the stage and collect the certificates. Next, Mrs. Sunita Borgaonkar madam, the headmistress of Shri Godavari Devi Lahoti Kanya Vidyalaya, to collect the certificates. I request Mrs. Rekha Gaikwad madam to come on the stage and take up the certificates. I request Mrs. Thakur Madam from Shri Puramal Lahoti Pathshala to come on the stage and take the certificates. Then I request Mrs. Randive Madam from Kesharbai Bhargav Pathshala to come and pick up the certificates of all the teachers. Please give a big round of applause. I request all the honorable guests to be seated.
Thank you all. Now, last stage of the
सर्व पार्टिसिपेट्सनी सर्व शिक्षकांनी खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीनं आजच्या या कार्यक्रमामध्ये भाग घेतला. त्या सर्वांसाठी एक जोरदार टाळ्या वाजवा. आपण आपल्या स्वतःसाठी वाजूया. आपण स्वतःसाठी वाजूया जोरदार टाळ्या. थँक्यू.
now last stage of the today's symposium that
The winners, all the winners are congratulated, no doubt. But tomorrow you have to come at 10:30 to again give the demo for all the entire Sanstha members. So all the winners are requested to come again tomorrow at 10:30. Thank you. That is again award from me to you.
I request Mrs. Sangeeta Kasar Madam to give vote of thanks.
At first, I'm very thankful to very eminent personality related to the world of literature English, Mr. Mahesh Dudhankar sir, one of the members of Board of Studies Balbhati Pune and mentor of British Council. Hats off sir, you did it, you proved it, and because of that, we are in the pathways and you are at the peak. That's the difference between we people and you, sir. Thank you once again. You focus the importance of digital literacy. We as 21st century teachers learned in 20th century, and now we are teaching the students of 21st century by using 19th century's curriculum and techniques of 18th century's calendar. What a great idea, sir. We learned a lot from you. He expected continuing professional development of we people also. That's why we have to think about that. I'm thankful to all our judges. One of them is Mr. Prashant Manikar, Professor and Head of PG Department of English related to Dayanand College of Arts. Dr. Nitin Doke, Assistant Professor, PG Research Department of English, Dayanand College of Arts. Dr. M.H. Khandagle, Professor PG and Research Department of Dayanand College of Arts, Latu. I think they judge less and understand more. That was the specialty we identified, and because of that, thanks once again for all these judges. I'm thankful to Chairman of the Board of Trustees, respected Lakshmi Ramanji Lahoti sir, who shows always who directs and shows us always the proper ways how to go ahead with our friends. I'm thankful to the chairman of the executive board, Mr. Shaileshji Lahoti, also here. And I'm thankful to Ashishji Bajpayee sir, who is the real motivator for ourselves, who showed us, who directed us. He showed us how to find the pathways, how to go ahead by finding barriers, and how to find where are the pros and cons and how to overpower it. So I am thankful again to sir, President of our Sanstha. I'm thankful to Ishwar Prasadji Daga sir also. I'm thankful to Kamal Kishorji Agrawal sir because of his presence here. And I'm thankful to all the headmistress of schools of Sanstha. In them, Mrs. Shah ma'am, Mrs. Bogavkar ma'am, Gaikwad ma'am, Thakur ma'am, Randive ma'am, for their kind cooperation for we people. I'm thankful to all my resource person, resources of them. They work a lot, and I think the backbone of all these resource persons is Dr. Prashant Mugle sir, Danday ma'am, Randad sir, Dipti Kagne ma'am, and your kind cooperation also is here. Delicious food arrangement was by Randad and Raule sir also. I'm thankful to them. The next is I'm thankful to Mukesh Birazda sir for editing our videos, making brochures and treasures. I'm thankful to Bhatta sir to make the program online for entire Maharashtra. I'm thankful to Tejas Mane and his mother Mane ma'am also for the, she has come here, and for the reset app and YouTube link he provided us. I'm thankful to my friends who are comparing here. Those are Salve ma'am, Bhattad ma'am, Doizode ma'am, Todgire ma'am, and live commentary of Dipti Kagne ma'am, which was actually live. Then I'm thankful to all the participants. Because of their efforts, because of their techniques, we are here. And they know very well how efforts had been taken by themselves. So I'm very, very thankful to all participants because of their active participation. And I'm thankful to Bhagwat Mandap and Kalim decorators also. And finally, Mukesh ji is also here. I'm thankful to Mukesh Birazda sir for editing again. Known and unknown personalities are here. I'm thankful to all those. And I'm thankful to Shirure sir for writing certificates by giving his helping hand. Thank you again for known and unknown personalities for making this program successful. Thank you.
And make this program successful. So again, thank you all of you from the bottom of our heart that because of your cooperation, the program is successful. I can say that today I have also shown my authority, Vice President, that we already got viewers more than 2,500 throughout the Maharashtra. And definitely it's going to increase by the night because people are going to watch it again and again. So definitely the entire program is very much successful and the credit goes to you people and the Sanstha Authority. Thank you once again. Again, no one is going to take anything from here today. Tomorrow you are allowed to take. Okay. So today it will be remaining here. So thank you once again, and with the help we are going to conclude this entire program. Thank you.